here it is, my friends. The GameStop exclusive Bonbon figurine. These things are discontinued now. Well, they aren't like right now. But they will be pretty soon. I ordered this thing like a couple of days ago, and I was expecting it to come in the 10th, but I guess it came early. So, hey, I'm not complaining. So let's actually, open it up. So, as you can see, it's a GameStop exclusive, so I'm trying to keep the box in good shape. So once I take it out, I can actually show you. So yeah. So here it is. It's I was expecting it to be a little heavier, but it's very, very light. Like only a few ounces, I think. It's made of hard plastic, I'm assuming. And it's a nice figure. His head can turn, his arms and nothing else can actually turn, but still very, very awesome looking otherwise. So you just turn it around a little bit. I ordered this from GameStop because it's a GameStop exclusive, as you could see, so you can't get it anywhere else. I also said before they're going to be coming discontinued because the guy himself told me. And yeah. What else? Whenever I ordered it there, it was about $12.99, $13 basically. I guess it was worth it. Actually, no, it was worth it, because it's a proven fact, pretty much, that as long as it's still in good condition, things that are discontinued become rare very, very quickly. So I can add this to my collection. This is a very, very nice figure. I think there was some debate about whether or not it was going to be a real thing, just like the Bonbon Plush, which was also supposedly going to be a GameStop exclusive, but that doesn't exist as far as I'm aware. It's only Bonnet, which I also have, but that's a Walmart exclusive. So yeah, for size comparison, here's, well, if you put him down, here's my hand. He's not very big. What can I compare him to? I don't know. I don't know what to compare him to, but again, very, very nice. Again, I'm gonna try to keep, if you don't believe me, there's the sticker. I'm gonna try to keep the box in good condition. The thing came inside this box, so the figure itself came in a box, in a box, in a box. So this thing had 3 box levels with it. 1, 2, and 3. So they definitely make sure that it's secured. I don't really know what else to say. Again, I got it for about $13. If you want one and you don't have one, I recommend you go and get one soon because they're becoming discontinued. And, very light, not hard at all. And I dropped it already. Well, that's nice. I probably shouldn't play with it anymore like that. But anyways, thank you for watching the video, and tomorrow, I guarantee tomorrow I'm going to be going to get a Blacklight plush, the blue Freddy, I think. And then that'll pretty much be it for GameStop stuff for a while. So I'm going to be doing a FNAF collection soon. So I guess that's it. You know, I'll be doing a FNAF gameplay video, and I'm planning on buying Sister Location so I can actually play the game where this guy came from. He's Sister Location, by the way. And he also is like more of a turquoise on the box. I don't know why. Again, for like the third time, thank you for watching the video, and I'll end it for reals this time. And yeah, just see you in the next video. Bye-bye.